I just arrived to Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia.
Welcome to East Java!
I think we found the right place. It's full, yeah? We will trek up to the majestic crater of Mount Bromo. Once you are at the top of Mount Bromo, I'd recommend you to go to the end of the path. We had also an accident with the drone. I'm bleeding. I don't think it really resembles the Teletubbies house, but the place is worth it. I just arrived to Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia, and the airport is the only thing I'm going to see. I have 1 hour to transfer, so I have to take the Sky train. We bought an amazing car, actually, right? It was a bit shady. He said to everything, yes. We asked, what's the excess? Yes. Do we have the full coverage? Yes. Can we have an additional driver? Yes. But we don't pay additionally, so it was a bit strange. So, and now, well, we are going to Mount Bromo. That's our next destination. And I'm here with Kai. They are gonna be with us in this trip. And Kai is the first time that he's driving a manual car. We are already close to the Mount Bromo, and we are staying in the Rizky Bromo Hotel, which looks nice. We've seen some cockroaches, but the place is nice. Like, we have big bedrooms, and the place is for us, basically. We have one bedroom for each of us. Tomorrow, we have to wake up really early in the morning at 1 a.m. because a jeep is gonna pick us up. We'll see the sunrise from the viewpoint, and then we'll do a hike to the Mount Bromo. So, let's go. You have to follow this path if you want to reach the best viewpoint. We had to wake up at 1 in the morning. The jeep brought us here. You'll see that you first arrive to a small village where you can have breakfast. I mean, if you want to have breakfast at 3 in the morning, I had, because of jet lag now, for me it's dinner time. So I had some soups. And then after that, you should be there around 2:30 or 3. And then you can secure the best spots. You'll have to walk for 10 minutes, then you'll see a viewpoint, but you shouldn't wait there. You have to continue the hike a bit downwards, and then you'll go a bit more uphill. And you'll see that, I mean, it's completely off-road. So this is the place. We think this one is the best place. I think we found the right place. And it was really good coming really early in the morning, but look. It's full, yeah?
Restaurant.
That's the first viewpoint I was mentioning, the one on my back. But I would recommend that you continue and you go up there, up that hill. There's another one that is called Hong Kong viewpoint. That'll be that one. We had breakfast also in a restaurant. Another option would be going up there. So, this is our jeep. How is it?
Smells like fuel.
Feels like being in a gas chamber. Our next stop is the crater of Mount Bromo. I think it's 1 hour away, more or less, from here. Although it might take longer because we are stuck in the traffic. And The hike up is gonna take about 1 hour or 45 minutes. We will trek up to the majestic crater of Mount Bromo.
Welcome to East Java!
Once you are at the top of Mount Bromo, I'd recommend you to go to the end of the path. You'll see that there aren't that many tourists here, and you'll be able to take the best pictures because there is no rim here. As you can see, the last part of the trek are these stairs, which I think you could do in like 15 minutes more or less. And the rest of the trek is just over dirt, you would say, off-road. Some people take the horses to do it, but you could do it in 30 minutes or less. Now we know why they put music during the night, right? Because it helps them sleep better. Could you imagine sleeping here with all the sound of the cars? What? Some recommendations before you do the hike would be, first, bring a mask, because all the people that is walking and the cars are gonna make all the sand go up and you're gonna be breathing it all the time. So a mask would be actually necessary. The second thing is that remember the restaurant that I recommended to go? That gave me diarrhea. I had to go to a crack of the volcano and go poop there. Yes, they saw it. They saw it all. We had also an accident with the drone. Yeah. Yes. I'm bleeding. So Marine, what's our next place?
We're going to the Teletubbies place, which is supposed to look very much like the Teletubbies show. And then we'll go back to the Sea of Sand, and then back to the hotel.
I don't think it really resembles the Teletubbies house, but the place is worth it, just because of that cliff, that massive cliff, which is the border of the crater.
And now we're about to enter the magical pea forest of Mount Bromo. What do you mean? I'm just gonna pee.
One of these spots.
Yeah, perfect.
We just had dinner, which was the only proper dinner we've had since we came here. And now it's dark, so we are gonna go back home to sleep.
If you like this video and wanna watch more adventures, subscribe to the channel and click the like button. This way you'll also help us improve our reach and the quality of our videos. Come along with us to explore the hidden places of the world. See you in the next episode.